NerdWallet lets you track your net worth and cash flow and learn about your credit score. The site is totally free, supported by offers and recommendations from financial product providers. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your NerdWallet account. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then in the search bar type NerdWallet and search for it. So here's the NerdWallet app that you are looking for. To download the app, tap on the Get option right here. In place of Get option, there is Open option in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Once the app has been downloaded in your device too, you'll also be able to see an Open option. To go to the app, tap on Open. After that, you'll be able to see this interface. Now tap on the option Sign In. Here you'll be asked to enter your email address and password. Enter the email address and password, or you can sign in with Apple or Google. Sign in using any one of these methods, and that's it. You'll be logged into your NerdWallet account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.